In this video, I'll show you how you can create a hundreds chart in less than a minute. Before I begin, I'll select all cells, choose middle of the line and center. I'll change the font size to 20. Okay, start the clock. Select the first 3 cells and click all borders. In the 3 cells, I'll type 1, 2, 3, then I'll select all 3 cells, drag them to the right to the number 12. Then I will select 11 and 12, cut it, and paste it below 1 and 2. With those selected, I'll drag that all the way to 20, then I'll select all of the cells and drag that down to the number 100. And the hundreds chart is finished. When I'm ready to print my chart or save it as a PDF, that's simple to do. And here's my chart. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to create a hundreds chart in 60 seconds or less. Leave a comment below letting me know that you finished it. Thanks for watching.